Hello, my name is Macy at Walser Polar Mazda, and I'm introducing the all-new 2025 Mazda CX-70, an exciting new vehicle to our Mazda lineup. This one specifically here is going to be our Turbo S Premium Plus in a brand new color called Melting Copper. So this exciting powertrain is going to be a mild hybrid inline 6 turbo, giving you 5,000 pounds of towing capability, also giving it that sporty new look that's going to be differentiating from the known CX-90. You're going to have your new air dams, chrome black details along the Mazda wing, honeycomb grille design, and of course with that brand new color, it just ties it all together with that sporty appearance. Coming over to the side, you're going to have a brand new wheel design, 21-inch wheels, also chrome black going across the body of the inline 6 badge. You're going to have that lower chrome black rocker side garnish, along with the chrome black new side rails for your rooftop accessories. Coming along the back of the brand new CX-70, you're going to have our Mazda badges, eSky Active G, being that this is the mild hybrid inline 6 turbo. You're also going to have the all-wheel drive badge. Opening up the power lift gate. Very gorgeous flat dimensions here. This is our flat loading dock area for your cargo space. One of the most generous cargo spaces for a 5-passenger SUV in the competitor segment. So I just wanted to highlight that. You're also going to have some more capabilities on this one. These are now electronic seat lowers, so if you want to lower the left side or the right side, it does it with ease with one push of a button. Below that, you're going to have some more storage space for your roadside assistance, and then underneath, further back, you're also going to have some more additional storage as well. Alrighty, now let's hop inside and I'll show you some more features. Sitting in the driver's seat of the new CX-70, you're going to have one interior option for this specific trim level. The trim level below and other options, we do have more interior, but this is our brand new featured interior. This is the tan interior, also genuine Napa leather, so the highest quality leather Mazda has to offer. You're going to have suede interior touches coming along the dash and your door panel sides, just giving it that extra elevated, luxurious look that Mazda is going with. You're also going to have, of course, all of the safety features Mazda has to offer, including a brand new safety feature called the Unresponsive Driver Alert, which is going to detect unresponsiveness from the driver based on your inputs, especially if you are in distress of a medical emergency. This vehicle is going to be here to keep you safe. Another integrated feature that Mazda is going with on these new models is built-in Alexa. So you can now integrate your personal home Alexa. Otherwise, especially if you don't have one, this is a great introducing to start using that feature. You can connect it with your home, everything built in with your personal life. This is really just going to help elevate that experience for you. So some new exciting stuff here. Another awesome thing about the Mazda CX-70, especially once you come and see these vehicles in person, you're going to notice that it's fairly the same size as our CX-90, but with one exception, this is a 5-passenger vehicle, so no third row. So if you don't have a large family, you don't have a lot of kids or a lot of stuff to carry around, this is a really, really great option for those looking for something sporty, fun to drive with a lot of cargo space. All right, so that was a quick peek at our brand new Mazda CX-70. Once again, I'm Macy at Walser Polar Mazda. We should be getting these models here very soon, so please don't hesitate to give us a call and come by and visit and check out these awesome new CX-70s.